KeepKey wallet versus Armory wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are available in the description below. In this video, we'll dive into the features, strengths, and use cases of these two wallets, helping you determine which one aligns with your cryptocurrency management needs. KeepKey Wallet is a hardware wallet designed for maximum security and simplicity. It supports over 40 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular altcoins, making it a solid option for users with diverse portfolios. Its sleek design, large screen, and easy-to-navigate interface make it beginner-friendly, especially for those new to hardware wallets. KeepKey's integration with Shapeshift allows for seamless in-wallet exchanges without relying on third-party platforms. As a hardware wallet, it stores your private keys offline, offering robust protection against hacks and online threats. However, its lack of mobile compatibility and reliance on desktop applications may not appeal to users who need flexibility. Armory Wallet, in contrast, is a software wallet tailored for advanced Bitcoin users. It offers top-tier security features, including multi-signature support and cold storage options, making it an excellent choice for those managing large amounts of Bitcoin. Armory provides fine-grained control over private keys, enabling advanced features like custom transaction settings and offline signing. However, its steep learning curve and focus solely on Bitcoin may make it less appealing to beginners or those holding multiple cryptocurrencies. The wallet is best suited for tech-savvy users who prioritize security and customization. The choice between these two wallets depends on your specific needs. KeepKey Wallet is ideal for users looking for a secure, beginner-friendly hardware wallet that supports multiple cryptocurrencies. It's perfect for long-term holders who want peace of mind and simplicity. Armory Wallet, on the other hand, is for advanced Bitcoin users who demand high security features and greater control over their transactions and private keys. In conclusion, KeepKey is better for users seeking an easy-to-use, multi-crypto hardware wallet, while Armory is tailored for Bitcoin enthusiasts with advanced security needs. Share your thoughts below. What's your wallet of choice?